Let's ask Jared Holz. He's a healthcare sector specialist at Mizuho. I'm just teasing you, Jared. You're used to this. It's great that healthcare is showing some life. I mean, but it's not like the kind of thing where you're going to say, wow, my SanDisk is up 800% since Jan 1.
Yeah, Kelly, thanks for having me. Yeah, this is kind of like a very slow, gradual turn. I think a month ago, healthcare was underperforming the S&P by 17%. And so that was sort of like the buy side at that point was apoplectic. And now it's around a 7% loser year to date. So it gained 10% in basically a month. So it feels great at the same time. It's tough to say that people feel excellent about what's going on here.
Right. I think you and I might have bottom ticked that. I'm going to have to go back and look when we were talking, kind of shaking our heads about it. What's turned sentiment around, and what does it take for you? We could break it down piece by piece. Is it kind of regulatory news? Is it innovation? Is it deal making, biotech? What's behind all this?
Well, I think first and foremost, the way that I look at it, like you have to be very cognizant of what's happening in large cap tech. And anytime there's a little bit of skittishness there tends to be money that goes into either underperforming sectors or, value oriented, more defensive. Now, I don't believe that healthcare is at all defensive, but I think the broader investor base probably believes it does. And so you sort of see a little bit of a movement out of momentum into these value-oriented or potentially defensive areas. And I think that's been maybe the most prevalent factor. Beyond that, it's hard to say. I mean, there's been a little bit of life out of managed care for the first time in years. Biotech has had a great run. But it's been sort of like, it's been esoteric in terms of what the drivers have been, because not every subsector within healthcare has benefited here. It's been few and far between.
Jared, one of my questions is, I see that biotech has had a tremendous run. You put that in your note. How much of that is just the result of the general speculative enthusiasm that we see for smaller companies and mid-sized companies overall? Extending from tech into, from broader tech into biotech. Is that a factor to you?
I think that's a part of it. I mean, I think about that a lot as to, what the drivers are that are moving small and mid-cap biotech. I think certainly having money flow into the space because there's a greater appreciation for these risk asset classes, but it comes and goes, right? You've got, tech has been on fire. On the other hand, cryptocurrency has taken a hit. Maybe biotech has been a beneficiary of less enthusiasm over Bitcoin. It's super hard to say. I do think the two things are very prevalent and relevant, I should say. The first is a lot of changes at the FDA. This has been a major point of contention for investors as far as, whether biotech could work. It actually did very well despite, some appointees that made it a little bit less transparent. And then subsequently, it's done even better. Then the M&A tailwind has been unprecedented. I mean, I could guarantee you today, this will be a record year for biotech M&A just 6 months through the year. So I think those are the other two things.
Yeah, we've seen those headlines, and perhaps it will even pick up steam in the next few months. Jared, thanks very much. Appreciate it.